Hey everyone!
Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into how to make money with DeepSeek AI in 2024. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or just looking for passive income ideas, this AI tool can help you earn $500 a month or more. Stick around, I'll show you 3 proven methods to turn DeepSeek into your personal money-making machine. Method 1. AI-powered content creation. First up, AI-powered content creation. DeepSeek can generate high-quality blog posts, social media captions, or even YouTube scripts in seconds. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Medium are flooded with clients looking for fast, affordable content. Charge $50 to $100 per article or offer bulk packages. Pro tip: use DeepSeek to brainstorm viral topics and scale your freelancing gigs. Method 2. Automated data analysis. Next, automated data analysis. DeepSeek's advanced algorithms can crunch numbers, spot trends, and create reports for businesses. Offer your services as a data analyst on LinkedIn or cold email startups. Charge $30 to $50 per hour to analyze sales data, customer feedback, or market trends. This is a goldmine for anyone with basic Excel skills. Method 3. AI-driven affiliate marketing. Finally, AI-driven affiliate marketing. Use DeepSeek to write product reviews, SEO-friendly blog posts, or social media ads promoting affiliate products. Pair it with tools like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, and you've got a passive income stream that works 24/7. Focus on trending niches like tech gadgets, fitness, or AI tools themselves. And there you have it, 3 legit ways to make money with DeepSeek AI in 2024. Whether you choose content creation, data analysis, or affiliate marketing, the key is to start now and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next AI income hack. Drop a comment below. Which method will you try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.